On today's Raw Review, we are highlighting a beautiful home over in Watchung. This client had come to us years ago. She was one of our OG clients when we were just kind of getting the ball rolling here. She came back. They were actually, if I had to do a quick guesstimate, I'd probably say almost triple the square footage of their home. The biggest focal point was the amount of beams that went into this house. In the kitchen, we had done some, I think they were almost 22-foot long beams that ended up being 20 foot in the air as well. And we'd done the live edge shelf and a range hood to boot. Over beautiful. I think it was like an 8-burner. I would love to have that in my house, but it's as big as my kitchen, but that's besides the point. You know, the firewood holders, I thoroughly enjoyed making those. They're very unique. They have a lot of contrast, and they almost punch you in the face when you walk into the great room. She knew exactly what she wanted. She knew that we were the right people to help execute that vision and finish it off with the install. This is a perfect example of a classic home with a modern addition, and we brought the reclaimed wood materials in to help warm it up. So if you like what you see with this project here, check out the portfolio, and even better yet, if you're ready to introduce some of this beautiful materials into your home, reach out and give us a call.